Hello, fellow traders. Hello, forex trading enthusiasts. I want to talk about this entry I took. I want to talk about this entry I took. I want to talk about my psychological thoughts why I actually took this entry. Right. So if you could look through, you see that I actually went long on volatility 10 index H1 time frame. I actually went long. I took a buy on this instrument volatility 10 index. So why did I take this buy? Why did I take this buy? I want to talk about why I took this buy. Firstly, looking at the chart, where I'm looking at a price pattern here, a price action pattern here that is called a double top. That is called a double top price action pattern. Sorry, a double bottom. I'm sorry. I'm looking at a price action pattern here that is called a double bottom, not a double top. So if looking through, I'm seeing that the both bottoms are standing on the same level. The both bottoms are standing on the same level, on the same horizontal support, right? So looking through that, when this occurs, 92% of the time the price buys, the market takes a buy, right? So having this information, I actually looked through at the second bottom to find a confirmation candlestick. I looked through at the second bottom to find a confirmation candlestick, and here at the second bottom, right at the second bottom, i'm seeing I'm seeing a spinning top. This pattern, this candlestick pattern, is called a spinning top pattern. Yeah, a spinning top pattern is a candlestick. Is spinning top candlestick is a candlestick that has a small body with two long wicks opposite it, that is at least two times the size of the body, right? Such candlestick, it could mean a reversal signal, but the spinning top on its own, it's not a confirmation. The spinning top on its own is not a confirmation. You must wait for a confirmation candlestick. A confirmation candlestick would mean a candle that will go to the direction of expectation. Now, I found a spinning top on a double bottom price action price pattern, on a double bottom price action pattern, right? So I have just seen a potential entry to take, but I need a confirmation candlestick to confirm that yes, the market is willing to take a buy. The buyers are in, are ready to go. So that gives me the next hour. At the end of the next hour, the bullish candle was printed. You can see this bullish candle printed, right? This is a bullish candle printed. Looking at this candle, comparing it with the spinning top all together, they've just formed a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So this is a strong confirmation for me that yes, the price is ready to go north. The price is ready to go north, right? And that is actually why I took these buys. I took a double buy here, I took a buy here at this price level, and I took another buy here at this price level, right? If you look through, looking at the bottom, you're going to see where I placed my stop loss. You can see my stop loss, right? If I took this for the both entries, this is the stop loss, right? And my TP, my target is two times. You can see my TP. My TP is two times the size of my stop loss from my entry, right? So this is it. You can see. So fingers crossed. I've done my bit, and my job now is to allow the market to ride. I'm just gonna allow the market to ride and see how this plays out. Right, I'm gonna pause this video and resume after a bit, so we can all see together how this um, will actually play out. Right, so if you're new to my channel, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, so you would always get my content whenever I upload them. You can do well to click at the notification button, so you will always be the first to be alerted whenever I post my videos. And also you could do well to like every video you watch, because it's very important for YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. I'm just going to pause and I'll resume later, so we'll all see the outcome of this trade. Thank you. All right, this is the progress of the trade. You can see the progress of the trade. So we can all see the progress of the trade. Like I explained why I took the entry. I said I took this entry because of the double bottom. I took this entry because of the double bottom here, right? We had a double bottom that was touching a horizontal base. So like I said, when this formation occurs, whenever it occurs, the price tends to move northwards 92% of the time. So when it happened, I knew, the price was ready to buy, was ready to go north, right? So like you can see, I took a buy, these two buys here, and then I took my stop loss here, and this is my psychological target. That is my psychological target, right? But fingers crossed, let's see how this trade will go. It's few pips close to take profit. It's few pips close to my target, so let's see how it will go. Yeah, hopefully things go our way. All right, so I'm still gonna hold this trade. But I'm gonna pause in a bit, so let's see how it goes. When it hits TP, then we'll confirm that it hit TP. So I'm sure you can actually replicate this on your own trade. Can you actually analyze the market like this? I would want you to write a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you can actually analyze this trade, if you could analyze this trade, if you can actually pick up this format, this formation whenever you see it next time. So let me know. If you are new to this channel, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel, so you would always get my videos. Also do well to click on the notification button, so you can always get notified each time I upload a video. Do well to like this video, right? Like this video because it's very important for YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. I'm still holding. Price is just few pips away from TP. You see where their price is right now. Few pips away from TP. So I'm still gonna hold this and see how it goes. I'm gonna hold this and see how it goes. I'll pausing to resume later. Okay. All right, like I said, been smashed. I was right all the way. Like you can see, TP has been smashed. Right, the trade has been closed. Yeah, TP has been smashed. So you can see, right, 248, 245 USD, 245 USD, and for the day. I guess I've met my daily target. Like you can see, TP has been smashed. Right, so you can actually say I was right all the way. This is how trading is done. Trading isn't gambling. So like I said earlier, why I took the trade was as a result of the double bottom, right? And 92%, the truth about double bottom is 92% of the time it goes accordingly. Whenever a double bottom is spotted, price goes northwards. So that is why I took that buy, right? Because I was convinced, I knew that I have a 92% chance of winning the trade, right? So all the same, I placed my buy after the bullish engulfing candlestick, after the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, I placed my buy. After this bullish engulfing pattern was found, I placed my buy, right? And right, took double buys positions, and I placed my Excel underneath, like I said, and my psychological target was around this level. So you can see that price actually struck my psychological target accordingly. Right, this is telling you that I was right, and this is how trading is being done. I hope you can actually replicate this on your own trades. I hope you can actually replicate this on your trade. To be a good thing if you can actually replicate this on your trade, right? And replicate this and copy me by the shoulder and trade like me, trade forex like me. It's gonna be worth it if you can trade forex like me, because someday you will thank yourself for learning how to trade. If you can actually trade forex, you one day thank yourself for learning how to trade. So you want to maintain consistency, just like you see. Every day, every moment, I try to maintain consistency in all of my trade, right? You want to minimize losses and maximize profits, right? You want to always minimize losses and maximize profit. So that's the goal. That is why you need to be sure of what you're doing. You need to be very sure, right? You need to learn how to trade. A lot of us, we just, because it's if open market, you could just jump in and begin to trade, and that is why most of us do not bother to get the right skill set first. And but actually we always pay with our money. We always pay with money. Whenever you're wrong, you pay with money. You pay the market with money by being wrong. So that's why you need to fine-tune yourself, so you, and when you're approaching the market, you want to approach the market like a skilled personnel, right? So I'm here to encourage you. My Facebook channel is here to encourage you, to help you, fast track you into becoming a successful trader. If only you can be attentive and copy me by the shoulder. Try to see what I do, try to learn all of these patterns, try to learn all of these candlesticks I look through, and try to give yourself good psychological targets. I assure you, trading isn't rocket science. Trading isn't rocket science. Careful enough, you actually meet your milestone, and when you begin to get blue accounts like this, you thank yourself for learning how to trade forex accordingly, right? So I'm gonna pause this video here. I just wanted to track the outcome of the trade. I just needed to track the outcome of the trade to show you how it's gonna end, right? Accordingly. So let's continue to follow this channel, continue to watch my videos, and try to practice. Get yourself acquainted with the chart, get yourself acquainted with the graph, right? The graph is jealous. If you give yourself to it, it's going to expose some information to use the more. But if you're distracted, if you're not spending time on it, it's just gonna not show you anything. But if you keep questing to know, if you keep questing to know, keep getting yourself acquainted with the chart, before you know it, you're already getting used to the gimmicks, the dynamics of the chart, right? So I want to see all of us there. I want a situation where we can all be there, reach that level of consistency, right? So continue. If you're new to this channel, um subscribe. Click the subscribe button, right? Click the notification button to always be notified each time I place a video, and also like all of my videos you watch. That's very good for YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. I'm gonna keep putting videos on this channel to continually educate fellow traders and trading enthusiasts on how to trade forex profitably. Thank you.